How to see Snapchat message history. So if you want to view the message history with someone, then this video might be helpful for you. So make sure you watch the video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So once you are in this section of Snapchat, you will be able to take snaps, or you will also take the snap videos. So from over here, you have to switch to the chat options or the chat section by tapping at the chat option in the lower section, and here will be all of your chats. So as we all know that any conversation with anyone on Snapchat will be deleted after 24 hours. So there are no any updates or setting for keeping the message more than for 24 hours in Snapchat right now. But there is a trick. So the trick is you have to save the chat of the person to view them to 24 hours also. When someone sends you something, videos, photos or chat, you just have to tap over there and it will be saved on your Snapchat. But remember, notification will be sent to the person. But when you save those conversations, you will be able to view the message or the history even after the 24 hours. So this is the trick, and this is how you can view the message history on Snapchat. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.